gorgeous friends, happy Friday to you. Today we're going to be doing a let's play in makeup kind of thing. I don't even know what I'm applying today. I just wanted to do a general sit down chat, get ready with me style video, and we'll see where this goes. So the palette that I was drawn to create with today is this one. LA Girl's Nudie Cutie. I've done a few looks with it before, one look on camera, a few by myself, and I love the colors right now. I'm kind of being drawn back to this pinky brown neutral kind of look, so that's what I'm going to be creating today. I'm going to take, let's see, this shade right here to start. And I'm going to use that as my transition shade, so applying this directly into the crease. And this palette, in case you missed my initial review on it, is amazing. It's so good. They released it recently and the quality is really, like, you just wouldn't believe how great it is unless you tried it. I mean, you can see right there, very smooth, easy to apply, very pigmented. The colors last all day. Great quality for the money. Taking a little bit of a deeper shade from the palette, I'm going to go with this one at the bottom. And I'm going to use that to go in the depths of the crease. So really right there, really right there, really right there, yes, into the socket line. So where the fold of your eye is where you want to apply this color. And that just adds some great definition to the eyes, makes them pop. Because that's what we all want. We want our eyes to pop. I mean, I feel like your eyes tell so much about you. I mean, think about it. When you blindfold someone, it's like it changes everything. You can't read them. You can't really get emotion from them. Your eyes say everything about you. And so I think that's why I spent so much time trying to teach myself how to do the eyes, because I know how important they are. And I feel like it's one of the first things that people see when they meet you. And personally, it's one of my most favorite features about a person because it says so much. I'm going to take this really dark brown at the end of the palette here. This one, not taking much of it because it's really, really intense. I'm going to use that on the outer third. See what I mean? I mean, barely tapping it in there. And I'm taking that same color using a smaller brush. This is the AOA Studio E128, by the way, for those who are curious. And I'm using that to blend it up into the outer V. And then for that really beautiful pop of pink that I want to put on the inner corner here, I'm going to take this shade right here. This is one of the most beautiful pinks in this palette. Look at that. It's such a gorgeous color. It's almost white, but it just looks amazing on top of these browns. So I'll apply it right there. And if you want a more intense application with it, you can do it one of two ways. You can apply it with your finger. You can also wet your brush with some setting spray and apply it like that. Although this eyeshadow does not need much help, it is truly intense on its own, which is nice to see. I really want to intensify this look some more. I could use brown. I don't want to do that. I want to use black. I just do. I feel like it. So I'm going to take the black from this palette and I'm going to use it as my eyeliner today. And I'm going to do a smoky wing with it. The brush that I'm using to do this with is the MAC 263. I love it because it is very precise, sharp, and it gives great lines. I got really happy when I was making those wings there. That's okay though. I'm going to take my Bioderma with a cotton swab here. I'm going to sharpen up those lines a little bit more. So just go over them slightly to thin them out and sharpen them. Great way to fix your wings because mine never come out perfect. Oh, I take that back. I think they've come out perfect once. Once! No, you know what it is? It's when I'm filming. When I'm filming, they don't come out perfect. It's when I'm by myself. You know that old expression that if a tree fell in the forest, would it actually make a sound? That's me. If nobody's watching, my wings are perfect. For my brows today, I'm using the one from Undone Beauty. This is that pen that they sell. Shade that I'm using is the Flawlush Brow, for those who want an actual name. So bad about doing that. This is in the shade Warm Brown, and what I love about this is that it creates brow-like hairs. It's very easy to apply, and it looks so natural. Look at that. Like, it doesn't look like I have anything in my brows. It just looks like my brows. Okay, so my lashes today are from my lash line in the style Positivity, so I will have those linked right below if you would like to check them out for yourself. For the rest of the face, I really don't know. Okay, let's try these two. Joah Perfect Complexion Eye Serum Concealer. I've really been enjoying this one, and I reviewed it recently. It's amazing. In case you missed my review on it, it's a very pigmented, it's kind of like the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and how it comes out. It's a very pigmented formula. Look at that. You don't need much. I mean, this right here can do my whole under eye area, and it will. But the coverage is beautiful with it, and it's an inexpensive drugstore concealer. And I mean, you can see what it does right there. Look at that. And it lasts all day too. It's not one of those that creases, breaks down, looks terrible at the end of the day. It looks gorgeous, and what an amazing difference. And then for the rest of the face, I'm gonna zoom you out here first so you can see what I'm doing. I haven't used this one in a while. That's the Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1 Whipped Makeup, and it's been so long since I've used it, I can't remember if I like it or not. From what I remember with this one though, it was very pigmented, and I do remember this mousse-like consistency that it had. Okay, it's doing that weird thing where it's sitting on top of my skin, my nose especially, it just looks kind of... So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Joah BB cream. I'm going to put that on my nose because I know that one will blend in a little better than the one that's on there right now, and that is too much, but it's okay because we'll just blend it out this way. That could be also because I haven't exfoliated in a few days. I notice when I don't exfoliate, I always get these like weird texture issues on my skin, but then if I apply makeup like that directly after I exfoliate, it looks much better. All right, well that's a little better, but you know what? I'm not going anywhere. I'm not doing anything today. The only person gonna see it is you, and I know you won't judge me, so hey, all's well. And if you do judge me, well, ain't you special? But because I do have all that texture going on my nose today, I'm not gonna use a powder. I'll use a little bit of powder underneath my eyes just to set the concealer so it's not moving all over the place. And I'll use it on my forehead too. But I won't put it on my nose. What I'll do on my nose instead is I'll take a setting spray and apply that there, so everything gets locked in place without looking like really bad at the end of the day. For my under eye area, what I think I'm going to do is take a little bit, and I mean a very small amount. I think I'm going to use this brown from the palette, and I'll put it on the end of a brush, and I'm going to lightly run it underneath the eyes to add a little bit of contour. And then I'm adding a mascara, and this is not a drugstore mascara. It's the only one that's not drugstore today. This is the Lancome Miss Your Big. I've really been enjoying it lately, and that's why I'm using it, because it is budge proof. Although I have had really great success with that Maybelline mascara, the new one, this one right here, the Colossal Curl Bounce. This one's been really great for the summer too, and I've really been enjoying that one. I wanted something a little thicker today though in formula, which is why I chose the Lancome one, because it does have that volumizing effect to it. Now for the rest of the face, I have really been enjoying this bronzer. I was trying to use something different to change it up a little bit, but oh no, I may have to use it. All right, let's just use it because I really do love it. The Florence by Mills. What is this? The Cool Tones. Out of This World Marble Bronzer in the Cool Tones shade. I really love this one, and I've been using it consistently ever since I discovered it. And it's a beautiful color against my skin. It doesn't fade. It looks great all by itself. And then for my cheeks, Florence by Mills Shy She Cream Blush has been another go-to favorite of mine, which I really, really love. and it adds the perfect amount of pink without being too overpowering. My most favorite lip combo of the moment, if you've been reading my description box on my videos, you've probably already discovered this one for yourself. I have been taking this LA Girl Ultimate Lip Liner in the shade Nonstop Nude. So I'll first line my lips with that. Then I have been putting, where is it? Ugh. How do I lose these things? I promise you it was on my table. I swear, one day I'm gonna forget my pants. Oh, there it is. Okay, e.l.f. Creme lipstick over the top. And this is one that is a little too light for me. Like I can't wear it all by itself, otherwise I'll look like, it ain't pretty. But with the lip liner, it makes it a lot more wearable. And then the other thing that I've been doing is adding a little bit of Flower Beauty's Spiced Petal over the top, bring in some color, and then finishing it off with the L'Oreal gloss. I don't know what this is, unfortunately. What is it? Okay, in Celestial Blossom. So it's just a light pink gloss that I put over the top. And I don't put much. And that's it. That's become my favorite lip color as of late. And I get asked about this one all the time. 4 simple products and that's it. Well, I hope that you enjoyed hanging out here with me today and spending this time. It's always just kind of relaxing to sit down, not know what you're doing, and make a video. That's my most favorite way to make videos. And I mean, even doing things like this is totally not something I normally do as far as like adjusting the camera while I'm talking to you and all that. But you know what? Hey, I just sometimes get so tired of these like perfect looking videos. You know, like not everything has to be perfect. It can be real life too. Like this is me. I probably have lipstick on my teeth and that's okay. So let me know how you're doing, if you've discovered anything new, how your day has been, how your week has been. Would love to hear all about you and just share. Feel free to vent if you need to. Feel free to spread love if you want to. Whatever's on your heart. I just want to hear what is going through your life, your day, etc. So I hope that this video brought a smile to your face. It was such a joy to see you today, and I want to wish you a beautifully blessed weekend ahead. I look forward to seeing you again very soon.